Ever wondered why wealthy people don't obsess over saving money, yet their wealth keeps growing every year? Most people believe saving is the safest path, but savings alone rarely create real wealth. While your cash sits still, inflation quietly reduces its value and steals your purchasing power. The wealthy don't store money, they move it into assets that multiply and grow. This is compounding, money earning more money until growth starts accelerating on its own. To the rich, money must move constantly, because moving money creates opportunities and profits. They store wealth in investments, businesses, and assets that work for them day and night. One person saves slowly, the other invests wisely, and their financial futures look completely different. Money is like a seed. Keep it stored, it stays the same. Plant it, it grows.
The real difference isn't income. It's mindset about risk, growth, and opportunity.
Smart finances balance saving for safety while investing for long-term growth and freedom.
The secret of wealth is simple. Money in motion grows faster than money standing still.
Learn to make your money work for you, and wealth becomes a system, not luck.